make this delicious chapli kebab. Take the mince in a bowl, finely chop the onions, squeeze excess moisture and add in. Finely chop the green chilies and add in as well. Coarsely ground the coriander, cumin and carom seeds and add to the mince. Time to knead it well for around 6 to 7 minutes. After add the cornmeal, black pepper, chili flakes and salt. Mix it well for around 4 minutes. Kneading is the key for the chapli kebabs. So add chopped tomatoes and knead it well for around 8 to 10 minutes. After refrigerate for around 4 hours. Take a handful of the mixture and form into the patty. Heat up the oil, stick a tomato slice, this is totally optional, and fry. When both sides are done, take out and serve. Enjoy with some raita. Thanks for watching. Chase the flavors.